Ever wondered how your boss perceives you and how it can affect your work performance? Perception, whether accurate or not, carries significant weight in the workplace. It can shape your career trajectory and influence your day-to-day job performance. But here's the kicker: understanding how your boss perceives you offers a golden opportunity. An opportunity to refine your skills, enhance your strengths, and address any weaknesses head-on. In this video, you'll learn how to leverage your boss's perception to improve your work performance. Now you might be thinking, I just need to please my boss, right? Well, you're in for a surprise. This common misconception is as widespread as it is misleading. Improving your work performance is not about becoming a yes man or a yes woman. It's not about saying what you think your boss wants to hear or doing things just to get a nod of approval. That path only leads to a lack of authenticity and personal dissatisfaction. Instead, it's about understanding your boss's perspective and aligning your performance with their expectations. This involves getting to know what they value in terms of quality, time management, and communication. It's about understanding their vision and figuring out how you can contribute to that vision in your unique way. This is the road to true performance improvement and job satisfaction. The key isn't to please your boss, but to align your performance with their expectations. So what's the most common tool to understand your boss's perception and improve your performance? It's feedback. Yes, feedback is the key. It can seem daunting, but it's a crucial step in understanding how you are perceived in your workplace. Asking for feedback shows your willingness to grow, and it gives you a clear picture of what you're doing well and where you need to improve. Don't shy away from it. Instead, request it proactively. Be specific about what you want feedback on. It could be your communication skills, project management, or anything else that you feel needs evaluation. When receiving feedback, remember it's not personal, it's about your work. Listen carefully, ask for clarification if needed, and most importantly, take it constructively. Then utilize this feedback. Make a plan to improve the areas highlighted and consistently work on them. Remember, feedback is not just criticism, it's the guide to your performance improvement. You might be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, let's dive into the benefits of effectively using feedback. First off, it's a key driver for performance enhancement. It's like a compass, steering you in the right direction, helping you to sharpen your skills, and ultimately excel in your role. Next, it can improve your relationship with your superiors. When you demonstrate that you value their feedback, it shows that you're invested in your role and committed to growth. This can lead to a greater level of trust and open communication. Lastly, feedback can open doors for career advancement. When you take the time to understand and act on feedback, it's a testament to your adaptability and eagerness to learn. Quality is highly valued in any professional setting. By using feedback effectively, you're not just improving your work performance, you're setting yourself up for success. Ready to put this into action? Here's how. It all starts with setting up a meeting with your boss. Rather than waiting for your annual review, be proactive. Request a casual catch-up to discuss your performance. Now, in this meeting, make sure to ask for your boss's honest feedback. This may feel a bit uncomfortable, but remember, growth often comes from discomfort. A simple question like, how can I improve, can open up a wealth of valuable insights. Once you've received this feedback, it's time to process it. Don't rush this. Take your time to really understand the points raised, reflect on them, and see how they align with your own perception of your work performance. Next, create an action plan. This should be based on the feedback you've received. For example, if your boss has mentioned that you might need to improve your time management, consider incorporating new strategies into your routine, like time blocking or using a task management app. Then, put this plan into action. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Finally, after a set period of time, check in again with your boss, show them the changes you've made, and ask for more feedback. Remember, the path to improve performance starts with understanding your boss's perception. So go ahead, seek that feedback, and take your performance to new heights.